Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can copy your private URL link to send it in Roblox. So here we are in Roblox, and as you can see we are at create.roblox.com, and at this point we have managed to install the studio and create this file, which we want to now send as URL. So in order to do that, you have these three dots here, and you can see here it says copy URL. So you can then take that and send that however you wish. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.